Assalamu alaikum students. In biology, now today we are going to see the chapter wise distribution of marks. Okay, the chapter wise distribution of marks, this is given in the workshop which was held on 1st of November 2020. Okay, and this is for your academic year, that is 2021. See, I have made unit, chapter number, I have written unit, chapter number, name of the chapter, marks without option and marks with option. Okay, so the first unit, that is reproduction. This unit has two chapters. In this unit, first unit, two chapters are present. First is reproduction in lower and higher plants. This chapter has marks, that is without option 6 marks, and with option it has 8 marks. And the second chapter is reproduction in lower and higher animals. Reproduction in lower and higher animals. This chapter also has 6 marks without option and 8 marks with option. Means in this chapter without option total 12 marks is there, and with option there are 16 marks for this unit, unit number 1. Then unit number 2. Unit number 2 is genetics and evolution. The second unit is genetics and evolution. Now this unit has 3 chapters, that is chapter number 3, 4 and 5. So this chapter number 3, the name of the chapter is inheritance and variation, and this chapter is for 4 marks, that is without option, and for 6 marks with option. The next chapter is chapter number 4, that is molecular basis of inheritance. This chapter is also for 4 marks without option and for 6 marks with option. The next chapter is chapter number 5. Chapter number 5 is origin and evolution of life. Origin and evolution of life. This chapter is for 4 marks and that is without option, and with option it is for 6 marks. Means in this unit total marks without option is 12, whereas with option it is for 18 marks. Next unit is unit number 3. This unit is physiology. Third unit is physiology. In this third unit, there are 4 chapters. Chapter number 6, chapter number 7, chapter number 8 and chapter number 9. Now this 6th chapter is, name of the chapter is plant coordination, and this topic is for 5 marks, that will be without option, and with option it is for 7 marks. The next chapter is plant growth and mineral nutrition. This chapter is also for 5 marks and with option it is for 7 marks. Then the next chapter is chapter number 8, which is respiration and circulation. Now this respiration and circulation, this chapter is for 7 marks, that is without option, and 10 marks with option. And next chapter is chapter number 9. Chapter number 9 is control and coordination. This control and coordination is for 8 marks, that will be without option, and with option it is for 11 marks. Means this total marks here is 25 marks without option and 35 marks with option. Next unit is unit number 4. Unit number 4 is applied biology. In this unit we have two chapters, chapter number 10 and chapter number 11. Chapter number 10 is human health and diseases. This chapter is without option for 3 marks and with option this chapter is for 4 marks. Then chapter number 11 is enhancement of food production. Enhancement of food production, this chapter is for 4 marks, that is without option, and with option this chapter is for 6 marks. The next chapter is chapter number 12. Chapter number 12 also comes under applied biology, and here the topic is biotechnology. This topic is for 5 marks without option, and with option it is for 7 marks. Means the total marks in this applied biology is 12 marks, that is without option, and with option this 3 chapter is for 17 marks. And the last unit is unit number 5. Unit number 5 is ecology and environment. Unit number 5 is ecology and environment. It also includes 3 chapters, chapter number 13, chapter number 14 and chapter number 15. In chapter number, the chapter number 13 is, the name of this chapter is organisms and population. This chapter is for 3 marks without option, and with option that chapter is for 4 marks. Next chapter is chapter number 14. Chapter number 14 is ecosystems and energy flow. This chapter is also for 3 marks, that is without option, and with option this chapter is for 4 marks. Then the last chapter, that is chapter number 15, that is biodiversity, conservation and environmental issues. This chapter is also for 3 marks, that is without option, and with option this chapter is for 4 marks. Means total marks is for 70 marks. Means total your paper without option is for 70 marks, and with option it is for 98 marks. Means you will be having 98 marks paper, and in that you have to, and the total that is without option, with option, that is for 98 marks. But if you see without option, then that the total of your chapters, total chapter is 70 marks. The total is for 70 marks. Means the theory paper is for 70 marks, and the practical will be for 30 marks. Means the total for biology is 100 marks. Okay, that is 70 marks for theory and 30 marks for practical. For 70 marks paper, that is the theory paper, you will be having 3 hours. In that 3 hours you have to complete your paper. Similarly for practical also, the practical is also for 30 marks, and the same timing you will here also get 3 hours for completing your practicals. Okay, so in biology total marks will be 100. So student, today what we have seen chapter wise distribution of marks. Out of total 15 chapters, as total 15 chapters are present, and the marks for that 15 chapter is 70 marks, है ना? And the practical, as I said, it is for 30 marks. Now this is the new paper chapter wise distribution of marks, which was held during the workshop, which is held on 1st November, that is last Sunday. So this is your chapter wise distribution of marks for your academic, for your paper, that is the final paper. This is your final paper marks, which will be held in 2021. Okay, for your 2020 marks, March 2021 paper, this will be your chapter wise distribution of marks. Thank you.